So, right, today I decided to try to get some lawnmowers going. This is, what's this? This is a Victor. I'm trying to fit this Tecumseh 4-stroke engine to it. The engine on this engine here originally come on that body, but there's a problem with this engine. It's the Briggs and Stratton engine that I fitted to it. It pulls over, but it's got a problem. You can pull it quite happily, but then, yeah, the string doesn't return, so I don't know. And then I've got this engine. This engine appears to turns over. I think this is 3.5 chicken power, this one. That's 5. There's the markings there. I think this is 5 as well. I'm not too sure. If anybody can decipher those numbers there. So pause it right there. Yeah. So as I said, this one's got a problem. So let's have a look. So it all seems to be there. So, but the problem is it's seized. It won't turn over. So I don't know, I might rip into it and see what's going on. It seems to be all complete, so I wouldn't mind getting that running and getting it back on that blue body there. So yeah, just absolutely seized. All I'm doing is undoing the nut. So I figured I'll put it up on the bench and start ripping into it, I guess. I think it's got oil on it. No idea. Better get some tools. And get those tools there. Everything's a mess at the moment. I'm just doing a clean up. Right. Let's have a bit of a look see. Alright, you can see there. Right. So I think we'll take these covers off. What did I do? I stuck my bore scope down. I couldn't really see much. Right. That's that. take that have to take that fuel line off, I guess. Typically it doesn't want to come off. Well, it's going to, whether it likes it or not. Yeah, it looks not too good. It's a pity it sees because it's all together, it's all complete. So what have we got here? Yeah, I think that's, feels like that's broken. It's got one of those wee clips on it. Right. Yeah, it is, it's broken. It's one of those little clamps. Well, the fuel line's stiff as a board anyway, so let's see if I can't prise this off. No, what's going on there? So that's your vent, I think. Let's see it. See, that's all broken. Try to pull this off. Yeah. It broke. There we go. Maybe now it will come off. You want to come off? Come on. Why you not come off? Oh, I see. Yeah, I see. Okay. So it looks like it's got to go like that. Prized up over there. Over there. There we go. Right, that fixed that. Okay, now I need some more tools. Bigger. No, don't fit. Joy. Right. What's the bigger ones we've got? Certainly not 8mm. Being Imperial, will probably be 11mm. I will get my socket set out. So what do we got? We've got 9 there. No. 11mm equivalent. No. 10mm even. 10mm. It might be 3/8 then. It might be 3/8, and that was a good guess. Okay. 1. 1 volt, 2 volts. They can go down there. Right, lift the lid off. Okay. I think we've got to dig quite a ways into this, I think. So, what we'll do then, it's more 3/8. Nope, that's even bigger than 3/8. That'll be 7/16 then. Yep. That's brilliant. Why didn't I think of that? Yeah. You see the big puddle of oil? Brilliant. That's what I needed. Right, okay. And my nice clean workbench. Right, so here's a rag then. Huh. Dang. Okay, what I can do then is find a container and dump that oil. Here's a container I prepared earlier. Right, Mr. Oil, you're coming out. Here we go. Right, and I'll take the exhaust off now. Looks like I might have to clean that carb out too. Right. Yeah. Okay. There we go. It doesn't look too bad. That looks pretty clear actually. We'll shine the light in there. That looks pretty good. I wonder if this has just been run out of oil. Okay. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. I'm hoping I might be able to clean it up. It's just been run out of oil. Typically socket won't fit. But wait, I've got a screwdriver. Oh, jeepers. There we go. Nope. No, Captain, it didn't want to move. Oh, there we go. Okay. crikey. That was certainly tight, any tighter strip. Right, okay, now we need to take the how does that come off? Take that off. I think it's easier taking it off at the coil. And of course that doesn't want to come off either. Right there. What? There's more? Right. Right, there we go. Carburetor off. Linkage is off. Is that coming off too? No, it doesn't look like it wants to. Okay. And even that port looks okay. Looks very clean. Huh. Even in the exhaust. Right. Well, we might have to is all the oil out yet? No. Right, well, it looks like I'm going to have to take that off. Right, let's see if this will work, eh? No? That's going to be pretty difficult, I think. Right, there's another one I prepared earlier. Okay. I doubt this will work either. Nope, didn't think so. Huh, come back to that. Well, what I can do then, soak the bugger in oil. Okay, right. I'll take that flywheel off if I can. There we go. Give it a hug. Right. Starter cup off. Now, it should have that. I know you shouldn't do this, but I'm going to. Is you can stick implements in there and lever up on them. So it's not working. Go on, work. You know you want to. You don't want to. Fine. I wonder what it says. There's a big end got no oil in it or something. So that's soaking in oil. Right. Making a big mess of everything. I could tap that and put a big washer on it. Yeah, I could do that. What I could do too, get a bigger hammer. If I knew where the bigger hammer was. That's the trouble, you clean up and you don't know where anything is. Aye. Don't know. I've got my big one here. Got my big plastic one here. Nope. What about putting put a bit of, haven't got any penetrating oil, so lithium greases it. Probably won't do anything. I don't think so. Yeah, well. Right, Mr. Big Hammer. I'll give that another go. It no want to work. Oops. Dang. Right. Better get a why you no working? Nope, on all accounts. What's the, yeah, it's getting too long now anyway, so might have to leave that for another video, I think. I'll have to take all this rubbish off anyway, so, well, the flywheel and whatnot. Bit of heat maybe. Well, I could try that, I guess. Try that. Bit of fire. We all like fire, don't we? It's getting warmish. Alright, we'll try that then. Wrong hammer. It's big one. What was that? And it still doesn't want to come off. Oh, it's warm-ish. On fire. Yeah. I'll get it eventually. Sure I will. Interesting how this has got, I think this is the date, 14th of the 2nd, 21. This is a 2021 engine, maybe. Have you got anything else that would soak into oil? Being a taper, I don't think so. Well, here's something. I'll try that. I don't know, degreaser. I'll try it, I guess, if there's any left. And of course, there's none left. Oh, none left. None left. Goodbye, you are the weakest link. Right, let's try this again, No, it don't come off. What I might have to do then is tap those holes, get a big washer, machine a big washer and pull that off maybe. But I think that might be a job for another video. Right, so what I'll do then is get that off, and I'll get that, I'm not touching that, that's gonna be warm. Right, so, and then I'll take that blade hoodaki off, and then we'll split the cases. Anyhow, yep, so that's that. Alright, we'll get to the bottom of this eventually. Alright everybody, cheers. Bye now.